Hello friends, I am Minu. Today I want to talk about our mind, our active mind, how it works and how we can have youthful life or youthful body in, I should say rather. So, for many years we have been heard that a sound mind in a sound body, and our mind and body have interconnection between them. If one goes wrong, other will also get impacted or affected. Our mind is not good, our body will not be feeling good. Something will happen to it, like anti-aging or so many things, because our neurons and everything will work against it. If our body is not good, our mind will not be also good because it will get affected. That's our system. And when we are talking about interrelation and relation between body and mind, just like we exercise for our body, and it's very important for our body to be healthy, it's also important for our mind to get into exercise. Yes, you are listening it correct. Our mind should be also get exercised. We should exercise our mind also as well. For mental health, it's really very important, because if we don't exercise our mind, our neurons and neural system will deteriorate fast and we will be aged very fast. We'll grow age older very fast, and you will feel that, oh, how can I get my younger skin, or how can I get my younger look again? So please come on, start doing it. Start working on your mental health as well as you are doing for your physical health. I'm sure you are doing it. Do it for your mental health as well. Many habits we create in our young time, or when we are young, and we carry it out till our adulthood. Some habits are little dangerous because, like smoking, drinking, alcohol, these are not good for our mental health. They should be limited. Our balanced diet, exercise, all these are good. So these habits affect our mental health as well. When we create a habit, how we do create? We do anything, like we start for exercise, or just for example exercise. Okay, first day if we do, we feel it like, oh, it's very difficult, right? And our body is also stiffened. We are like, no, that's enough. Next day it would be little easier. Next, and one day it will be just a piece of cake for you. You will be easily going here and there. You are moving your hands, legs, and full body you are moving, and it's quite easy for you. Your mind is not working there because it's automatic. You know what to do and what not to do, and you are doing it. So in that case, our mind is not working. But while doing same exercise you are doing daily, it's habituated, your body is getting automated. Now you are including a new exercise in this. Then your mind will take new information and process it, and that would be good for it because it's exercising it. Mind will start working again. Okay, how do I do it? Your mind will think, okay, how do I do it? So this will help your mind to get active, right? You all have been through with this process, creating a new habit or doing anything for first time and doing second time and third time. How was your experience? Right? Second time you felt it's little easier. third time much easier. So that is how we do it, and our mind process things. After a certain time or after a few times, mind stop working because everything is automated. So what we need to do to have an active mind or have a good mental health, we should keep challenging ourselves, keep challenging our mind. Have you seen Sudoku or some puzzle? Why they have been started? Because people were aware about mental health. It's to puzzle your mind, it's to get your mind to work. Let your mind work, right? And it's good for your mind itself. You sometimes you feel, "Arey, kyun karna? Why should I do it?" But the thing is that when you're doing it, your mind is getting stronger and stronger. And it's not only about your mind. Your lifespan is getting healthier and getting longer and longer and longer. So, taking challenge yourself, like curiosity about new things, learning new things will work as anti-aging for you. So keep learning and be curious for new things, to learn new things. And that's the mantra for having your active mind and to have a longer life. And if you like my video, please subscribe and press bell button so that you will get notification for my next video and you don't miss it. And please like my video, and write comment if you like anything and if you want to suggest something to me. Thank you so much.